great. So let's watch the video. There are several conditions for beauty: clear pupils, healthy and straight teeth, transparent and clear skin. Among them, the image of clean and clear skin are strongly preferred by all. For this reason, in order to solve skin-related problems, many people go to aesthetics to manage their skin. So many people want health and clean skin. So it cannot be solved within short time. It needs continuous management. And the answer is found by absolute solution for clear skin. So which overwhelming mechanism that the absolute snow has? When many people hear the word whitening, the first thing that comes to mind is melanin pigment, because melanin is produced in the skin for protection against UV rays. UV protection to suppress it is the very basics of whitening. When UV rays come in direct contact with our skin, melanin in the skin is oxidized, turns black, and accumulates. When this process is repeated, the pigmentation occurs. There are many methods for whitening, but if you take fundamental measures against melanin, which is the root cause of pigmentation, you can maintain clearer and healthier skin. Inhibits the production of enzymes that produce melanin in the skin by blocking neurotransmitters that help the formation, and there may be a way to inhibit the formation of melanin pigment itself to prevent oxidation of melanin through a mechanism that prevents the movement of the produced melanin into the stratum, corneum, or by preventing the already formed melanin pigment from doing its job, you can keep your skin bright and clear.
So as you age, your skin will become more rough, and because of the regeneration cycle slows down, it will make it difficult to manage, and your skin will be easily looked down. If you leave your skin unattended without paying attention to UV rays and whitening care, over time it will create a deeper and wider dark spots, which are very difficult to improve. Just by taking care of the old dead skin on the cell surface, it can revitalize the dull skin. So there is a very effective ingredient that can do this, which is called BHA. So this ingredient softens the dead skin cell without physical friction, and it helps softening the pores. So there are two types of BHA, which is synthetic BHA and natural plant BHA. So we are recommending using the natural plant-derived BHA because it is more natural and soft. And when you clean up the dead skin cells, the active ingredients of the skincare products will be better delivered into your skins. And there are various active ingredients in each stage of melanin production and transfer for whitening. So it's important to use these ingredients. So ingredients such as Alpha-bisabolol and oil-soluble licorice extract, they can help to prevent melanin pigment from being produced in advance. And the other way is to prevent the oxidation and achieving whitening effect. So we can use vitamin C derivatives to prevent the oxidation of melanin in the skin. So even if it didn't pass to the surrounding coronal cell, the skin tone will still be brighter. So by using an ingredient called niacinamide, the deposition of melanin pigment can be also prevented. It also helps strengthening the skin barriers. By using illumicin, it reduces the formation of lipofuscin, which is a aging pigment, and it also prevents the formation of pigmentation and helps alleviate the dark spots. So finally, melanin-forming cells present in the base of the skins and the keratocytes that were transformed by melanin was discharged. So the melanin pigment contained in those cells will also be released. So by using the BHA ingredients, it will take good care of your skins. So there are specialized whitening care utilize a high-level mechanism using various active ingredients. So it helps prevent the production and deposition of melanin pigment and excrete at all of the skins. So it is an all-in-one treatment. So how do our consumers think about whitening care? So with Atomy Absolute Snow series, your home is no longer just a home, but you can use your home to become a professional domain that provides skin whitening process. So now your home has become a special aesthetic that provides whitening aesthetic. The perfect home derma brightening care that fills the skin with pure beauty. So what is the feature in between? The first feature is it contains 10 active ingredients in all the products in the lines. And second, by adding a special ingredients for each line, we implemented a care step that can be delivered deeply into the skin. So the scientifically constructed brightening mechanism can make dull and uneven skin look better and cleaner. So now we'll reveal the 10 active ingredients. First, it is the target the area with skin troubles accurately to upgrade the whitening effect. First is the selective technology and absolute brightening code. And there is a oxygen skin ingredient that completes clear and even skin tone by increasing the amount of oxygen in air. And in addition, we have Alpha-bisabolol, which inhibits the melanin synthase that causes skin pigmentation. And we have glabridin and also Niacinamida, which is a vitamin C derivative that makes dull skin looks transparent. Nevertheless, we have winter green leaf extract that takes care of dead skin cells and brightens the complexion. And it is also a patented ingredient that gives radiance to rough skins. And illumicin and natural carotenoid ingredients can provide a bright skin tone-up effect. And finally, the purified water is replaced with peony water. So it helps maintain a clear and clean skin. The Atomy's unique whitening mechanism that realizes brightening from the ground up can be used continuously day and night all year round, regardless of time or seasons. So the 28 days of continued intense treatment tailored to the skin turnover cycle provides a three-dimensional and scientific care for skins. So let's go through step by step. First, we have the snow toner, which contains the saffron extract, the finest material that can soothe the tones the skin at the same time. And you will see the effect of smooth immediately without any physical stimulation. Secondly, we have snow serum that contains the concentrated ingredients from omega fruits that can help with skin whitening, redness, and skin tone improvements. The dark spot corrector is made with selected 7 herbs from Alps. So it provides a powerful brightening effect, and it can help to relieve the dual melanin from the light to the dark spots. For the gel type snow day cream, it is a very watery texture, and the more you roll, you can feel the cooling effect. And it can help to improve the moisture in your skin. For the snow night cream, it is made by applying a high contact of collagenase, which can affect in skin elasticity. And it contains sunflower seed oils and white lupin extract that can also improve the elasticity of the skin that was damaged by UV rays. For the facial mask, we are using a super adhesive elastic fabric, and it can soothe your skin. And we also have Snow Tone Up Essence Sun, which helps the UV protection as well as blue light protection. So now we have the absolute snow set. So how does the regular maintenance treatment would change our skins? So according to the clinical test, it was confirmed that not 15.94% improvements of all dark spots, and we can see that we can improve also melasma, blemishes, and freckles. So by all these results, I think it's more reliable for all of you to use this product. And now, please enjoy our new line, the Atomy Absolute Snow at Home. Ten effective active ingredients that can help brightening your skins and revitalize your skin. This is absolute snow. So now enjoy a professional skin whitening essay at home.